Come on. Wait, go to the front.
Ride it out. Get on it and I'll open the door for you. Get on your bike. Get on your bike. Go on, Athena, move. Ride it. Go on, ride it. Come on. Come on, keep going.
I'm coming.
Ride it.
No.
It's hard on the side, on the road.
Come on.
I'm coming with you. Wait.
Whoa, Sasha, watch out.
Come on, ride your bike. Well, let's move. Let's go through this. Ride it. Now go. Go, 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 go. Watch.
Come on. Keep going.
Not the street, though. What did Lisa tell you?
Follow me, Marky. Follow me, Grandma.
I'm coming with you.
All the way around the block and she heard.
Marky, step. 1 step, 2 step.
Keep going.
Bike in the road. Monkey, go. Follow me, Grandma. Go, go, Grandma. Go, Monkey.
What? Are you tickling yourself?
Oh, we're riding. Look, the baby swinging in a swing. The baby nice. Look, the baby swinging in the sea, Mark.
I saw.
You ready to turn around and go back?
No.
No.
Tell Mark, what's the sign over there? What does the sign say over there? The red sign?
Stop.
Stop.
Sasha, where are you going? You want to say hi?
Hi. Yeah.
Come on, let's turn around.
No.
No?
Follow me, follow me.
Say please. Please what? Nothing.
Okay, now we turn around and go back.
Yeah, we gotta turn around and go back. We gotta go see Uncle David.
Come on, he's got Mark. He's gonna turn around this way. on, go this way.
Oh, I'll do
This way.
car coming.
Yeah, the car's coming. Come on.
We have to stop.
Yes, we have to stop.
Car is going down. The car is going. No, Grandma.
That way, that way, that way, that way. Ride it that way. Mark is over there. Ride it.
Come to me.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, ride. Fast. Ride it fast.
Go fast.
Mark, go fast.
See how fast you can go. Keep going. I'm following you.
Oh, I have a present for you.
You have a what?
A present.
You have a present for me. What is it?
It's a secret.
It's a secret. No, we're going this way.
that way.
I have a present for you.
That's fine, but we go that way.
Come on, let's go back home.
Why?
Because I have to help Uncle David. See how fast you can get to my car, Sasha?
Go drive fast. See, show Mark how fast you can ride. We're following you.
There you go. Keep going faster. Come here. Can you catch me? Can you catch me? See the faces she makes. She's like,
She plays you.
Sasha, you have to watch where you're going when you're driving. It's very important. You need a WD-40 that thing.
What?
You need a WD-40 that thing.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, this way, this way. Come this way.
I win.
You win. Come this way. We're gonna go inside.
I win.
She has long. Have you noticed she has long arms?
Yeah. Come in. Come on, let's go inside.
I don't want to leave a bike here.
You don't have to leave.